Oh yes indeed, you have felt me today in the in and out, the weaving, the fluttering within your chest, the fluttering within your mind. I am Metatron, Metatron, Metatron. I am Metatron. So close to the earth I am with all the angels in the angelic realm and masters at this time. So close to the earth I am, to be a reflection of your divine nature, to be a reflection of the sublime within you. Metatron, Metatron, Metatron. I am Metatron. I am Metatron. I am Metatron. I am Metatron. The keys of Enoch are opening you. The keys are opening your divine nature. The keys of your awareness are opening up spaces within your being, and you are electrifying. You are illuminating. You are becoming the light. I am Metatron. Metatron, Metatron. The angelic realm is close. Breathe it in. I am Metatron, working with the thoughts. Human thoughts are powerful, and they are bombarding the atmosphere around the earth as well as within the earth, minute by minute. We are helping disarm those thoughts that are nuclear weapons. We are helping disarm those thoughts that are violent in nature. We are helping with you, in concert with you, in relationship to you. As you call on us, the angelic form, as you accept your divine nature and you connect with the angels in the angelic form, we are with you. We lift you. You are lifted on the wings and the lightness of being. You are lifted and your spirit is lifted. I am Metatron, Metatron, Metatron. Speaking to you of your thoughts, in the next few moments, send thoughts of joy. Simply think about something that gives you joy and imagine them popping off you into the atmosphere of the earth. Joy, light, joy. Think of someone that brings you joy and lightens your heart. Think of someone that makes you giggle and lifts your spirits. Think of someone that you have kind thoughts about. Metatron, Metatron, Metatron. I am Metatron. Your nature is opening. The keys have been released. The keys have been released. The handle has been grasped and pulled into open motion, and you are moving into your multidimensional natures. Flow. We would like to see you flow, moving more fluidly and dancing on the earth. There is some jerking and screeching and railing as you flop your way into this new vibrational pattern. Rather, flow your way in. Call on the archangels, Gabriel, Raphael, Ariel, Michael. Call on the archangels. Call on me, Metatron. Call on your guardian angels. Call on the angelic force. Call on the seraphim and the cherubim. Call on the angels. I am Metatron, Metatron, Metatron. Be patient with yourself and your process. Do not overthink things. Move sometimes into song, singing your way through your thoughts. If you begin to notice that you are thinking of something specific, begin to tone that thought into a sound or a vibration until it lifts and moves away. The stars in the sky, the moon in the sky, they bring you to time. Astrologically, you understand you are moving into a time of squares between major planets. The planet of Saturn, the planet of Neptune, squaring each other, squaring up, facing off, practicality and logic versus daydreaming versus dream time versus the Neptunian landscape. How will you balance between the two? My Dear ones, you will have to face your delusions and illusions. You will have to step out of them and be clear. Bathe under the light of the moon. It has come into your window and woken you up. It has turned your consciousness away from yourself and your thoughts and your eyes to the sky. You have seen it in the past several days, and it seems shiny and bright. It is clear, that moon tonight. Find the illumination of that moon. Bring it into your own center. You brought it earlier at the behest of Saint Germain into your third eye. That moon illuminates your inner vision. There is a new moon in the vibratory waxing and waning of the moon coming up in December. The new moon. The new moon. The new moon in Sagittarius. Find that new moon. Find that time. Sit on that new moon. Sit with this new moon. This new moon is important. You are ending a year, at least what you call a year on your calendars, the way you measure it. You are moving into a new vibratory time. In this time, you have a great deal of awareness to move out of illusion, to move out of delusion, to completely eradicate your own deluded thoughts and realities and move into the thought of the divine order of love and compassion. Imagine that now. Breathe into the body. I am Metatron, Metatron, Metatron. Imagine that now. Imagine a new world. Imagine all the people living in a world of love. Hold the palms open around the heart chakra and breathe in, toning with an ah. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. Ah. 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 I am Metatron, Metatron, Metatron. The thoughts that come out like nuclear warheads are being dispersed by the vibration of compassion. Send thoughts out now. Send love bombs into the universe, into the air. Think of those you love. Think of something loving. Do not think about the meal you have to prepare tomorrow, or the distance you have to go, or the relatives you have to see, or the things you have to do, but rather think of love. Love. Love, permeating, infusing, and coloring all your activities, relationships. Your relationship to the planet, to the animals, to each other, to your sisters, to your brothers, to your friends, to your family. Love permeating all, to your enemies, the most challenging of all. I am Metatron, Metatron, Metatron. Your thoughts are changing. Your world is changing. Your earth is changing. Draw in the breath and tone 3 times as you mentally repeat Metatron, Metatron, Metatron. Whoa.